What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I am going to do a pretty soft, I really think I'm going to go for a cut crease with this MAC palette. It is called Star Lighting Compact Fuchsia. This is what it looks like. And I got it at a Christmas sale or Black Friday sale, and you know, I saw all the purples, and you know the rest of that story. The pinks and the purples, that's all I needed to see. And I just thought these two colors would be really beautiful on a cut crease. So that's what I'm going for today. I may have to pull in maybe a burgundy-ish color from another palette to deepen out the crease, but other than that, I'm gonna stick with this palette. So let me make sure I got that name right. I'm super blind. Yeah, Star Lighting Compact Fuchsia. So yeah, if you would like to see what I love to peel these little things off. It's almost like those magnetic lippies. Anyways, focus, squirrel, shiny. If you would like to see what I create with this pretty little palette, then please keep watching. Welcome to my face. Okay guys, this is the eye without any, this is just the eyeshadow. But I think the cut crease turned out pretty, and I think those colors were perfection. So I'm going to go put on lashes, liner, and mascara, and I'll be back to do a lippy with you. Alright guys, I went with Christina Demi Wispies. I didn't want to cover up all the pretty cut crease. So as I let my lash glue dry, I am going to go in with the Kylie Lip Kit in Posy K. I think it will look perfect for this eye look. My lips are lopsided today. I must have lined them weird. Alright, there we go. I'm going to very quickly go over my lash band and mesh my lashes in with a little mascara, and then we'll go for some setting spray. Got a little weirdness going on here, so let me do a little repair work. I am going to go in with Dreamsicle by Gerard Cosmetics. I lost my fan. Guess we're gonna have to bust out the beast. It's been a while. Alright, I'm getting dressed and I'll be back to say goodbye. Alright guys, final look. Glamour shot, glamour shot. Alright, I have to get out of here. I am on my way to church. I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me while I got ready. And I hope you enjoy the beautiful look that I made with this little MAC palette. I think it's pretty. I think it's quite pretty. Alright, gotta get out of here. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the little notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload something fabulous. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.